Make science come to life with WeDo 2.0, a solution that combines the LEGO brick, classroom-friendly software, and real-world projects linked to next-generation science standards for 2nd through 4th grades. With WeDo 2.0, students explore, create, and share their discoveries as they build, program, and modify projects, helping to ignite curiosity in science and spark a love for hands-on experimentation and investigation. For teachers, there's support every step of the way, with a complete suite of resources that build students' confidence to ask questions, define problems, design unique solutions, and present their findings. What's more, there are more than 40 hours of projects spanning physical, life, earth, and space sciences, as well as engineering and technology, with learning grids, assessment tools, ideas for differentiation, and classroom management tips and tricks built into the curriculum pack. The intuitive drag-and-drop design of the programming software makes it easy for both teachers and students to get started quickly before moving on to more complex projects. Meet curriculum goals and nurture 21st century skills development by putting science discovery in your students' hands. WeDo 2.0 makes science come to life.